Have you ever felt sluggish, weighed down by junk food, or overwhelmed by stress? Imagine if there was a simple way to hit the reset button, not just on your diet, but on your whole body. A 3-day juice cleanse can do just that, flushing out toxins and revitalizing your energy levels. Welcome to Health Alert Remedies, where we provide you with the best insights on detoxing and overall health. Today, we're going to explore how a 3-day juice cleanse can transform your well-being and help you feel like your vibrant self again. It's a popular topic because so many people are looking for effective and manageable ways to rid their bodies of built-up toxins and rejuvenate their health. Now, let me share a quick story about Sarah. After weeks of fast food and holiday indulgence, Sarah felt sluggish and bloated. Seeking relief from her fatigue, she turned to a 3-day juice cleanse. By day 3, she felt lighter, more energetic, and ready to tackle life with a refreshed mindset. What if you could experience something similar? As we walk through this juice cleanse journey, you might wonder, what exactly goes into these detox juices? Hold that thought. You'll find out in just a moment. First, let's break down what a juice cleanse does. When our bodies are filled with processed foods and everyday stressors, we can accumulate toxins leading to fatigue or irritability. A juice cleanse helps flush out these toxins and gives your digestive system a much-needed break. You might be asking, can it really make that much of a difference in just 3 days? Here's a fascinating fact. A well-structured juice cleanse can reduce inflammation and boost hydration levels. These short-term cleanses can pave the way for a healthier lifestyle, encouraging better food choices down the road. So, what juices should you incorporate during your 3-day journey? Think green. Juices loaded with ingredients like kale, spinach, green apples, and lemon can provide the vitamins you need while keeping you satisfied. But what about cravings? That's where a surprise twist comes in. Ginger, added for its digestive benefits, can also help curb those pesky urges. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I prepare for it? Preparation is key. Spend a day or two before your cleanse, gradually reducing caffeine and processed foods. Trust me, your body will thank you. With that said, here's a real opportunity. When you start your cleanse, make sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Combining hydration with holistic juices can amplify the detoxification process, enhancing your results. We all know that stepping outside of our comfort zones can be challenging. But after those 3 days, you may find a renewed zest for life, potentially sparking new healthy habits. Imagine how incredible it would feel to emerge from that cleanse with more clarity and energy. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. What would a healthier version of yourself look like? Can you picture it? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Alert Remedies for more valuable health tips and remedies that can change your life. Join us on this journey toward a healthier you.